with us. Let's bring in trial attorneys Michael Jaafar and Marjorie Mesidor. Michael, the sentencing date hasn't been set yet. He's facing 30 years to life behind bars without the possibility of parole. As a former prosecutor, are you able to bring in things like we heard there that the jury didn't hear before the sentencing? Are you able to give more tidbits to get him to stay behind bars longer?
Absolutely. You know, in the pre-sentence investigation report, a lot of this stuff will come out, but also you as a prosecutor, you're going to argue for the max, which in this case is life in prison. So you can bring in anything. Things matter now because you're no longer in the guilt, you're no longer in the trial, you're in the sentencing phase. So in the sentencing phase, you have, your canvas is a lot wider as a prosecutor, and you can really you've already stuck the knife in, you can now twist it. And honestly, given the grotesqueness of the facts, I think they should, and I think they're going to want to do that. And what I saw from that prosecutor in that interview is she made that comment about, we're in Vermont, had we waited a day, had this dragged on another day or two, and bringing in Gabby Petito. I think they hate this guy, and I think this guy, he's going to get what's coming from them. They're not done with him yet. The sentencing phase is going to be vicious. The victim impact statements in the sentencing phase are going to do those by themselves.